Our topic for today is to understand demographic targeting. Okay, so in this video, we will understand what is demographic targeting and how we should do it. Okay, so the very first option you can see over here who they are, detailed demographics. I'm gonna click on this button. You can see there are four options available under that: parental status, marital status, education, home ownership status. So over here, you can target people on their parental status. Basically, you can target parents over here, parents of infants, toddlers, preschoolers, primary schoolers, teens. Now, if you're thinking how Google comes to know if I'm a parent of a 1 year child or 5 year child, okay, so based on your activity, what you perform, based on the let's say searches what you do in Google, and based on the platforms what you use of Google, the different platforms of Google, okay, based on that category, they're gonna categorize you in this let's say filters, okay, in these categories they're gonna categorize you, getting it based on the your search results and everything, okay. Then we got marital status over here. People can target you if you're in a single relationship or a married. They can target you on education basis. Okay, like do you hold a degree if you're a current university student? Okay, so you got multiple options available over here through which you can target them. And the last one is your home ownership status, where you can target them if they own a home or if they're renters. Okay, so getting a home is a big thing for us, and which can categorize you in a let's huge category. For example, if I get a home means I have a good money and multiple things are there. And renters have a different scenarios. Okay, so they got these options over here in demographics, and on all these options you can target over here. For example, it's if I select parents of teens, then I can go in ideas as well. I can check what are the Google suggestions. Okay, so based on my previous activity, they're gonna give me suggestions over here, and this is how we do targeting in demographics. So I hope this is very clear.